That's what we saw in the first session. Now let's have a simplified view, an enterprise architecture perspective, simplified architecture, enterprise architecture perspective. This is an enterprise. In this case, post-technology. Okay. What is the goal of this enterprise? It's to bring business value all along its perimeter, right? That's your goal. Whatever you are, bank, whatever you are, service provider, whatever you are, manufacturer. This business value, every department in the organization should focus on delivering this business value, right? To realize this business value, you need to capture requirements, right? Every organization will have, and at the beginning, business requirement. We don't speak about technology. We don't speak about IT. Okay. This requirement will have to be supported by the next layer, which is the business layer. I'm not going to explain what the business layer is, but I'm just going to tell you that the business layer is finally the one that is holding the strategy, that is holding the process model. Process model. Okay? Clear? This, a process is a sequence of activity. Okay? But the activities are not standing in the air. The activity is a verb manipulating an object. Object, information. That's why you have the next layer, information layer. What is the goal of each of our industry? The goal is to have quick delivery of business value supported by technology and application. Right? Okay. That's what we call automation. Right? And so then at the kernel, that doesn't mean that it's the most important because it's at the kernel. Right? Understood? But all this business value needs to be assessed in business requirement and pooled via business process, impact on information, and supported by technology. Now there is a layer of integration here. Of course, you're going to have several applications. This application needs to integrate. Why? Because your business process will flow across several applications, right? If I take, for example, a traditional stream in a service provider, order to payment, well, it uses a lot of business capabilities supported by different applications. Okay? Industry best practice. Well, you have ITIL here. ITIL is helping you in providing you best practice in the dynamic of some of your processes. Example, everything that is related to IT service management. Then you have the TM forum frameworks. Oh, these ones, they are just dictionaries. Dictionary of business activity, dictionary of business entity information, dictionary of application, dictionary, not yet a dictionary, but a library of standard interface in the industry to be respected, commonly agreed. Okay. So each of these layers, okay, good. Now, one project, and any project that you have, you quickly realize that you cannot bring value in one click all along the perimeter of your enterprise, right? So you have projects. One project is one partition of the architecture, right? Clear? This project needs to be assessed not only in terms of technology, but in terms of information, but in terms of what type of process, what type of requirements, what type of use case also, and which organization is involved into this, and what is the business value of this project, that this project is aiming to. So, if we take this service provider, they had a first project which was customer management platform. Okay? Basically, it was a big company that has been split in two companies. Customer-facing, post-telecom, and the factory, post-technology. Okay? So the first project for the big boss was this customer management platform. Second project, telecom division back-end transformation. Okay? And what happened? They signed a huge contract with the European community, which has an impact on their operating model. So this specific project were addressing specific realization of capabilities, of business capabilities, that were also in the scope of this one. Got the point? This project and this project were working on the development of the same capability. So you see right away that everybody put the feet on the brake, okay, and you need to govern it to avoid to have duplicated business capability at the end and try to optimize it. So you see that